Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2004 Honda Shadow 750 Aero. Beautiful classic style cruiser, two-tone paint scheme, wire rims, V-twin 750. This one's got the engine guard, nice quick release windscreen, passenger backrest, shaft drive, no chain to mess with. Come on by and make your lightweight cruiser dreams come true with this gorgeous blue and black Shadow 750. Price to sell at only $39.99. This thing is not going to be here long. Come on by and check it out. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Runs like a dream. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.